Hey, welcome. In this video, we're checking out Optimum 11, a custom lightweight version of Windows 11. It's built on Windows 11, but removes a lot of the bloat and unnecessary features, giving you a smoother experience, especially on lower-end and older PCs. It even relaxes the hardware requirements. No TPM chip or newer CPUs required. You also won't be forced to connect a Microsoft account during setup. Basically, it promises the ultimate Windows 11 experience for almost any PC, maximizing performance and efficiency. Disclaimer: before we dive in, Optimum 11 includes a pirated license, so you'll still need a valid Windows key to activate it legally. Also, installing any OS will wipe your drive, so back up your data first. Downloading Optimum 11. Go to windowsxl.com. Download page, Windows 11 builds. Choose the latest release, Optimum 11 24H2. Pick Home or Pro Edition depending on your license. Select the latest version, currently 4.5. You'll see two download options: Defender off, better performance; Defender on, better security. The ISO is about 2.8 gigabytes, so the download might take a while. Creating a bootable USB. After downloading, extract the zip file with 7-zip or WinRAR. Inside, you'll find the Optimum 11 ISO and Rufus. Open Rufus, insert an 8 GB plus USB drive. Select the ISO Keep Default Settings. Click Start. Wait a few minutes while the bootable USB is created. Installing Optimum 11. Restart your PC, boot from USB. You'll see two options: Defender on, regular version; Defender on, AC, extra themes, tweaks. Pick your version. Select the drive, click Next, Install. All hardware checks are skipped. Installation is quick and straightforward. First boot. After installation, there's no Microsoft account setup, no privacy screens. It auto-creates an admin account. You're taken straight to the desktop. What's new in Optimum 11? No bloatware, no Microsoft Store, Xbox, Teams, or UWP apps. Task Manager shows 15 to 20 background processes. Idle RAM 2 GB, CPU 1 to 2%. Fresh install uses only 5.9 GB storage. Extras and tools. On the desktop, there's an Extras and Info folder. Change username PC name scripts, enable print spooler, install Microsoft Store, browsers, Chrome, Firefox, Edge, enable widgets, newsfeed, registry tweaks, wallpapers, links to guides, updates. Windows Update is postponed until the year 3000 by default. You can enable it anytime. Tools and context menu tweaks. From the Start menu, you can toggle Windows Update, Firewall, Transparency, Print Spooler, access WinArrow Tweaker, extra right-click options like Open Command here, Restart Explorer, or Boot into Safe Mode. That's it. Optimum 11 gives you a fast, clean Windows setup without unnecessary clutter. If you found this guide useful, like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.